Okay guys, today this video I'm going to show you how to solve application problem involving two sets. And of course we're going to use Venn diagram to answer a set of questions below. Okay, so how does it look like? Well, as you see, a couple of questions we have given on the bottom. So we're going to answer those questions based on this Venn diagram. So let's take a look here. First, look into the scenario. So a college survey was taken to find out which social media platform students use. Of 138, or this is a universal set as you see total, students surveyed, 80 used Facebook, 70 used Snapchat, 26 used both Facebook and Snapchat. They said draw a Venn diagram, then answer the following question coming up. Okay, so how many variable is given clearly in this case is how many set I want to say. 138, that would be my universal set U, and 80 use Facebook, so I can say 80 is my F, and 70 use Snapchat, I can say 70 is my S, and 26 use both, so I can say F intersect S is equal to 26 is happening at the same time. Okay, so I actually declare those information up on top, or I can put down on this bottom here. My earlier video I showed how to come up with the cardinality given the information. So let's take a look here. So what I have done is basically I have my universal set, which is in this case is 138, and what I have my F set F is equal to 80 and set S is equal to 70, and also I know F intersect S is equal to 26. So these are the information I have actually currently. Now once I have this information, well, I want to declare my set. That is my F and that is my S, that is my Facebook down here. This entire one is the Facebook and this one is the Snapchat. And of course, we have something called cardinality. We always start with the innermost. I want to make sure that we understand that we always start with the innermost. This is what we have to always work with. What is this species? So this is like intersection, sharing the same thing on both. Okay, so clearly F intersect S, which is 26. So that is going to be 26. Remember, you can actually, construct a region. This is region 1, this is region 2, and this is region 3. And always there is one region 4 outside of the Venn diagram, actually. Okay, so let me take a look here. Yeah, this is what our Venn diagram should look like. We should have one big rectangle, that is big rectangle, and because we are talking about two Facebook and Snapchat, only two things, so we have a two set, and I can easily go with this one is region 1, region 2, region 3, and one is always outside. This is not doing anything. That is region 4 if it is two Venn diagram. Okay, so well, what is my region 1? So I know my region 2 is 26. Why? Because this is intersection. They're doing the same thing, both same. Look at here, both Facebook and Snapchat. Now region 1 is basically, I know Facebook is 80. So 80 is the total Facebook, as you see this one. But I am looking for this region 1. Out of 80, 26 is taken. So out of 80, 26 is taken. So therefore, we should have, let's take a look here, 80 minus 26, that should give us 54. That should give us 54. We do the same thing on the right side. We're doing Snapchat, how many? 70. 70, total 70, take away 26. So 70, take away 26, that should give us 44. We are ready now. We are ready. I can even erase this mess here. Okay, now we clearly see what is the reason for 1, 2, and 3. Once we know the reason for 1, 2, and 3, we actually subtract from the universal set. For example, what I mean is we can say 138 minus 54 minus 26 minus 44 should give my reason 4. In this case, it should be 14. That should go here, 14. So that is reason 4. Now we have found all of the reason. Now what we can do is we can go down and answer the questions actually. Here you go. They said how many used Facebook only. So well, remember Facebook only. So I want to make sure we understand this one here. Remember, this is the Facebook. It was total 80. Remember that 80, out of 80, 26 was also using the Snapchat. But this question is asking how many used Facebook only. So clearly reason 1, which is 54, is the Facebook only. So that is 54. Clearly you see that is 54. Okay, so we have 54 as you clearly see, right? Now we're going to do the next one here, right? We're going to, how many used Snapchat only? Well, clearly you see that would be your Snapchat, you know already here. So that piece is going to be your Snapchat. So it's going to come down here, which is 44. Okay, that's 44. Let's see what is the next question. How many used Facebook or Snapchat? How many used Facebook or Snapchat? So here you go. This one we have to make sure we understand that Facebook or Snapchat. Facebook or Snapchat. This one or that one. So how many is all together? So 54 plus 26 plus 44. That should give us, let's write down, 54 plus 26 plus 44. That should give us 10, 14, 124, 124 students. You can put down the unit students. Okay, is there any other question left? Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, one more. How many used Snapchat but not Facebook? Here you go. So we have to look into this. How many use Snapchat but not Facebook? Here you go. So they said how many use Snapchat but not Facebook? This is 26 using Facebook. So only this reason, only 44 is using the Snapchat. So we come with the answer here, which is 44. Now let's take a look here. One more question is coming down here, as you see. So how many did not use either the Facebook or the Snapchat? So how many question is how many students did not use Facebook or the Snapchat? As you see, Facebook or the Snapchat, they don't use it. So remaining is what? 14. They don't use any. They don't like this technology actually, social media. Maybe they are using something different. I cannot come up with a conclusion. Maybe doing this something different. So 14 of them actually. How do you find 14 of them? We already actually calculated from the total we subtracted inside reason. So that gives us 14. So that is the beauty. Once you draw it, construct it, you just grab the answer. And that's the 14 here. That's 14 student. Okay, so I hope you understand how to construct a Venn diagram with two set and finding the answer or answering based on the Venn diagram set of question you answered. Okay, thank you so much.